guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I'm going to be unboxing the latest fat quarter bundle that has come in from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm not totally sure which one this is. I actually subscribe to a couple of their fat quarter clubs. You get 12 fat quarters in each bundle once a month. We do the Lori Holt and the Moda fabric and the Robert Hoffman fat quarter bundles right now, and I kind of switch it up. I'll do one for a little while and then switch to another one just to see some of the different designers and to kind of build my stash and make sure I'm not, staying right in one niche all the time. So anyways, let's hop in and see what we've got in this one. Ooh, okay, so it's the fat quarter from Moda bundle, and it is a Christmas bundle. So this is the time where we should be starting those projects for our Christmas quilts so that we can have them finished in time. So this bundle has 12 different prints in it. It is featuring Once Upon a Christmas by Sweet Fire Road. So let's take a look at these fabrics. I always love the way that Fat Quarter Shop wraps these up. I mean, that's got to take forever to fold. But they just look so pretty. Look at that. Now there's a lot of pink in this. It's definitely feeling like a little bit retro-y, but there's probably so many fun quilt patterns out there. So we're going to have to figure out something to do with these because I'm probably not going to incorporate them into my stash. But you get 12, so we should be able to make something fun with that. Now, let's take a look. I'll just flip it over. Why not? We'll just mess it all up. Somebody worked hard to fold it, and I'm going to work hard to unfold it. Okay, so first we have this lovely little dove print, little floral in between and a sprig of some type of plant. And then we've got kind of our star pattern. That reminds me of Starry Night, but for Christmas in red. Ooh, okay. I like this a lot. This is on the diagonal already, so it would make, I think, a really cute binding. And I wonder, that jelly roll quilt we just made, oh gosh, what was the fabric? Sweet Liberty by Brenda Riddle had a lot of red and blue and a little bit of pink in it as well. This might look really interesting as the binding, and I haven't bound that one yet. So I'm going to keep that in mind because I need to order more from Fat Quarter Shop. All right, and then we've got some Santa and some ornaments and some bells. Those are really cute and dainty. It's a bit pink, so definitely has that kind of more retro feel, like 70s, maybe 60s, maybe even earlier. That's a great Christmas tree print with that pink background, so that'll help us incorporate pink throughout that entire quilt. And then we've got a holly pattern in the same background color. Okay, so here we're getting into the more neutrals. Now this is the Christmas tree again. Now I don't know, let's see, do I have something? Okay, so this is, I just finished up the Sweet Liberty box. This is the normal white that I use. This is the Bella Solid 97, and that, I don't know if you can see how much creamier this background is, but I don't think I could get away with using this background in it, which is unusual because I use this background on everything, so all my scraps always match, and I'm kind of spoiled that way. Okay, I digress. All right, so that same kind of Christmas ornaments with Santa and sprigs and bells. And those ornaments, they just remind me of the ones at my grandmother's house and my great-grandmother's house when I was growing up. So I don't know how old that is, but they are just really adorable and kind of make you feel all warm and fuzzy. And then the holly print again, but with that creamier background. Okay, so this is totally reminding me of, oh goodness, there were the clay stop action, they weren't cartoons, that were around. I think maybe it was like Frosty the Snowman. They had one that they play every Christmas. I know it was definitely kind of in that same time house. They had like a Gumby episode. If you can remember the name of that, if it's Frosty the Snowman, definitely comment, let me know, because I'm gonna be bothered by not remembering. I like that print. That's a great neutral. You could use that in something that wasn't a Christmas print too. Okay, and some really pretty snowflakes. So Yeah, I think all in all, that's a good bundle. I think you could, we'll have to come up with a quilt pattern to make with it because, again, I probably won't just incorporate these straight into my stash, but that's fun and interesting. If you've got any ideas, definitely share them with me. I'd love to hear them. And if you guys like these videos, it would help me out a ton if you would like and subscribe. And don't forget about our Facebook group so that I can see some of the projects you guys are working on. And until then, I'll see you guys next time.